Okay, guys, so normally I trade small cap stocks, but the small caps have been very tough to trade lately, and there has not been many opportunities presented. So lately I've been trading SPY options, large cap options. So today I made about 20% on some SPY puts. They ended up running about 110%. But that's okay. I'm a scalper. There's no way to know it was going to run 110%, and 20% is huge. All right, so let's get into it. So you can see in the morning, you know, the overall trend was going up. So I don't like to fight the trend, guys. Um, but so I actually did end up taking some calls at this break right here because it kept rejecting here, pulled back, held here. And take note that these yellow lines are stronger levels than the purple lines that I mark. So when it broke here, I still wasn't in my position. I'm on the 5 minute candles, and I wanted it to stay above this line. So I waited for the next 5 minute candle to open. And it did. So I went in for some call contracts. And I got out around here because it kept rejecting this level. So I saw it could potentially start going bearish on me. But let's go back to this level. Why was this such a key level at 393.56? Well, let's go to a higher time frame. So here is that level right here on a higher time frame. You can see it rejected right here. Let me scroll in so you can see better. So you can see it rejected right here, started holding right here. In cluster areas right here, held the end of this wick pretty well. So that's why I had this level marked. It was a key level. So back to the 5 minute. Broke that key level. I went long for some option calls. As you can see, increasing volume to validate the move. So I caught about 20% that way too. Didn't catch the full move. So anyways, end of the day, I started seeing a trend reversal. It started rejecting right here, showing weakness. But I didn't get in because basically I was waiting for it to cross back over this major level. So of course, not of course, so I didn't get in and ended up trending higher. So then it started rejecting this level. It rejected it 4 times. So once it rejected here, I was like, all right, I'm not going to add the position yet. I want to see what the next candle does. And it started to push down. So I actually entered my position right here. And it started to push down. I could have got out for some gains, but I held because entering my position right here, I knew my stop level was going to be this major level where it rejected 4 times. So I was willing to take the risk up to that level. And it went back up and it didn't break that level. So I'm still in my position. And then the move started to come. And when I entered right here, I was anticipating it break this major level, the 393.56 level I showed you earlier. And if it broke, the next major level is down here. But I have these 3 levels I'm watching from the same day. You can see rejecting here. You can see why these are major levels. Held here, rejected right here. Held here, holding here. So, yeah, I got in early anticipating it break. Did the little pullback, started pushing right here, and it broke right here. And boom. I was out of my contracts by here. I didn't hold through all this chop. But you can see it ended up going a lot further. Ended up running around 110% roughly. But I caught my 20%, anticipating this break. So, I saw that this was turning bearish. So end of the day, this thing got pushed back up. I was not playing at this point, but pretty good confirming volume. The contracts I played expired today, so there's no way I would be playing this close to market close on expiration because data decay, Greek decay is accelerated, and you could lose money on the stock regardless of which way it goes. So yeah, guys, that's why I took this stock. You always want to wait for confirmation and candles to close um, at at above or below these levels. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for my next video. Like and subscribe. Check out my Twitter, my TikTok. I give a ton of free information. All right, thanks, guys.